Foldables, the future that used to feel like a sci-fi fantasy, are now finally real, refined, and ridiculously powerful. And in 2026, three names dominate the conversation: the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7, and the Honor Magic 55. All three promise incredible screens, insane AI features, and pocket-sized versatility. But here's the question: which one actually deserves your hard-earned cash? Let's unfold the truth. Let's start with the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold, arguably the most intelligent foldable in the game. This phone is powered by the Tensor G4 chip. But the real magic comes from Gemini AI, Google's new in-house AI assistant. Imagine summarizing a YouTube video with a single voice command, or letting the AI edit your photos, rewrite your text, and organize your apps based on your routine, automatically. That's the kind of seamless, smart integration the Pixel 10 Pro Fold delivers. On the hardware side, the display is a gorgeous 7.8-inch LTPO OLED that folds flat, bright enough to use outdoors and smooth at 120 Hz. The camera system? Classic Pixel perfection. A triple lens setup with incredible computational photography, next-level night mode, and skin tones that look natural. Not filtered battery life stretches beyond 24 hours, and it supports reverse wireless charging for accessories. This isn't just a foldable. It's a productivity tool that feels like your second brain. Check the description below for the Pixel 10 Pro Fold link. Then there's the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7, the foldable king that just keeps getting better. Samsung's 7th generation design finally delivers what everyone's been asking for: a nearly invisible crease, a wider cover screen, and an even lighter hinge that feels premium but sturdy. The 7.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 120 Hz refresh rate is simply stunning. Vibrant colors, deep blacks, and crazy smooth scrolling. What makes the Fold 7 special is its ecosystem polish. You can open 3 apps side by side, drag files between them, and even pop out floating windows like you're on a desktop PC. And yes, it still supports the S Pen, turning it into a mini productivity workstation on the go. Samsung's new Galaxy AI suite adds clever tools like AI-powered photo remastering, instant translation during calls, and note assist, which turns rough notes into polished summaries. Plus, with a 512GB base model, stronger Gorilla Armor Glass, IPX8 water resistance, and better battery optimization, this feels like the complete foldable experience. If you want power, polish, and performance, the Z Fold 7 still sets the bar. Find the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, link in the description below. And now, the Honor Magic 55, the dark horse in this race. This phone may not get as much attention, but it deserves every bit of it. Honor's crafted what might be the thinnest and lightest big screen foldable yet. Incredibly sleek, with a near seamless hinge that folds completely flat. You're looking at a 7.9-inch OLED main display and a 6.5-inch cover screen, both running at 120 Hz, with beautiful HDR performance and 1,600 nits of brightness. Under the hood, it's rocking a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, 16GB RAM, and 512GB storage, making it one of the fastest foldables globally. Camera-wise, the Magic Vive 5 packs a triple sensor system that punches above its weight: bright night photos, smooth stabilization, and color science that rivals Samsung's. Battery life is exceptional too. Nearly 2 full days on moderate use, with super-fast 66-watt charging that takes you from 0 to full in under an hour. It's stylish, powerful, and surprisingly affordable, especially if you're grabbing the international version. Check the description below for the Honor Magic 55 link. So, which foldable should you buy? Each one offers something special. If you're deep in the Android ecosystem and want something that blends innovation with practicality, you can't go wrong with any of them. All three are linked below. Check the description for the latest prices and deals.